Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Far Away. In this video I'll be talking a little bit about these paint guns and the air regulator that I use. I've been having a lot of questions on that. Let's just begin. Alright, let's begin. First of all, let's talk a little bit about these two guns. This is the new SATAjet 5500 with a 1.3 tip RP version, and this is the eye style needle nozzle. What do I mean by eye? SATA came up with two different types of spray patterns, either the O or the I. The I gives it a little bit more controlled for me, so I rather go with that. And this one is the clear coat gun. It's also an RP 1.3 tip. This is specially designed for clear coats. And all these guns and all these materials, you can get them at Spray Guns Direct. This is from the UK. This is where I got everything, and this is where I get everything for my shop. Now this is the air regulator that I use, the pressure gauge regulator. I've been using it for many years. This is a brand new one that I got from Spray Guns Direct also. But a lot of comments, and I mean a lot, have been people have been asking what kind of regulator is it. This is what it is, guys, right there. Let me open it up so you can see it. Here it is. And you're gonna say, what's so special about this regulator that I like? Well, one of the main reasons, it gives you a real accurate pressure, but one of the main reasons is that I can just leave this connection on the paint guns and just use this and connect and disconnect the paint gun real quick to get another paint gun when I'm painting. Let's say I'm going to use clear. I don't have to unscrew it so that I can put it on this one. I'll just disconnect it and connect it. That's one of the main, and that's the main reason that I like using this type of regulator. It's real simple to use, real simple to disconnect, and precision of air that it gives you is accurate. All of this is perfect. It gives you a perfect combination for any paint. So if you want to get these guns, go ahead, send a message or call them up. Spray Guns Direct. Tell them Far Away sent you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.